If you are struggling to keep up with your content calendar, you need to master these 9 essential UGC video styles that brands absolutely love. We are breaking down everything from aesthetic showcases to educational tutorials, plus I will show you how to automate the heavy lifting. First up is the aesthetic product showcase, which is all about capturing dreamy, slow-motion shots that make your product look totally irresistible. Think soft, golden hour window light, neat compositions, and tiny details that really sell the mood of the brand. Instead of spending hours manually sifting through footage, the software automatically picks the most cinematic clips for you. Next, we have the product demonstration, which shows exactly how your item functions and solves a specific need for the user. Whether it is a recipe or a beauty routine, keep the background clean, the labeling clear, and focus strictly on the action. Vizard detects these moments automatically, isolating the swipes, pumps, and pours so you never have to scrub through hours of raw recording. Third on our list is the classic unboxing, which relies heavily on satisfying visuals and the anticipation of the reveal. Keep it tight and punchy by starting with the satisfying open and ending with the final, beautiful display of the product. Fourth is the problem solution video, which identifies a genuine pain point for the audience and immediately offers your product as the fix. Start with the frustration clearly on screen, show the struggle, and then show the product, turning that negative experience into a positive one. The software is smart enough to bridge the gap between these narrative beats, connecting the problem to the solution automatically. Fifth, we have the testimonial, which is essentially honest, authentic praise from a real user experiencing the product results. Fast cuts and emotional highlights are the keys here, because you want the delivery to feel completely believable and relatable. Sixth is the vlog-style content, where you weave the product into your daily life so it feels organic rather than like a billboard. People connect with the routine, so just show yourself using the item during your morning coffee or while getting ready for the day. Vizard identifies these natural product moments in your vlog and turns them into ready-to-post clips for every platform. Seventh, we have voiceover-driven content, where you film your usage footage first and then narrate exactly what you are doing. Be confident and keep your script concise, because the goal is to explain your process without dragging the video out. Eighth is the transformation, or before and after video, which is the absolute king of stopping the scroll on social media feeds. Hook the viewer with the final result first, show the honest contrast, and then reveal how you use the product to get there. Ninth is educational content, which builds trust by positioning the brand as a helpful expert rather than just a salesperson. Whether it is a quick tip or a recipe, these evergreen snippets provide actual value and encourage your audience to save the video for later. Creating this volume of content is usually a nightmare, but Vizard streamlines the entire pipeline from raw footage to scheduled posts. Instead of spending weeks learning complicated software or paying an editor, you can let the platform find your viral moments automatically. If you are serious about growing your brand without burning out, it is time to stop editing manually and start using a smarter workflow. Try experimenting with the aesthetic style or the transformation style first, and please let me know which one you pick. If you made it this far, drop a secret emoji in the comments so I know you are ready to level up your content. Keep testing, follow your creative rhythm, and I will see you in the next video.